Hi guys, welcome to Desi Boy's Kitchen. Hope you guys like my mint potatoes. So we still got mint left. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make Punjabi mint chutney. So which is like really popular in Punjabis, right? To eat mint chutneys, right? So we're gonna make a spicy one, guys, right? Right. There you go. Wash your mint and just add them in here. Then I'm gonna take this ketchup, just gonna add about 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, right? Spoons of ketchup. Then I've taken turmeric sauce, just gonna add 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. Right? So that's adding here. I've got some green chilies. Just chop them roughly. Add them in here, right? There you go. Right, so I'm just gonna take out one onion, a red onion. Just chop this off roughly, very quickly. It's a piece of cake to make mint chutney, right? Just add them roughly. There you go. There you go. Right. Just gonna add a bit of salt. I'm gonna add 1 and a half spoon of salt. Alright? Taking some pomegranate seeds here. Let's have a look. Just one teaspoon, I think. That's more than enough, right? Here you go. That goes in here. Right. I'm gonna add some water. There you go. There you go, guys, your mint chutney is ready. Here you go, mint chutney is ready within 2 minutes, guys. Here you go. Let's taste it. Perfect. Amazing chutney, right? That's a proper Punjabi chutney, guys, right? So I'm gonna show you how to make the chutney you eat with poppadoms in Indian restaurants, especially when you go in England right now. Any Indian restaurant, they give you this mint chutney to eat with poppadoms. Let me show you what to do with it. This is your base, right? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add a couple of spoons of this in the jar. Add a bit of milk in here. There you go. Or a yogurt if you got, right? Just give it a warm. There you go, guys. That's your mint chutney. What you get in Indian restaurants, right? What you had it for with the starters, you know when you have a starter, right? They give you mint chutney like this, right? There you go. How simple this is, right? So guys, we made 2 chutneys. One, a Punjabi chutney. Second, what you get in a restaurants with poppadoms. So there's a 2 chutneys, right? Try it at home. Follow my recipes. They are very, very easy to make. it only took 2 minutes to make these 2 chutneys, right? And share it with your friends, right? Follow me on Instagram. DM me if you would like me to give you a shout out, right? Today's shout out goes to Ajay and his wife Sarita, right, from Birmingham. Thank you, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye for now.